Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, January 11, 2021. In lockdown pa rin dito sa Denmark guys. It's still lockdown and they said the lockdown will be uplifted. Is that the word? The lockdown will stop on January 17. Tapos by 18, work na ako guys at long day yun. If ever. 7 in the morning until 4 ng hapon, I think. So, yun yung magiging work ko. And we hope na hindi na mag-extend yung lockdown para back to normal na naman yung buhay-buhay natin. And because nga, nasa bahay lang ako, so I've really been, it's actually not so good because I've been using my time, internet all the time, being online. And on January 1, yung issue ni Christine Dacera, January 1 pa lang guys, I've been following the story about her already. I'm even a member of the group like Justice for Christine Dacera, ganyan. And right now, parang there's confusion pa rin kung na-rape ba siya, kung na-alcohol poison lang ba siya, if ang tawag nyo, aneurysm, ganun ba talaga, wala ba talagang pang-abuso, ganyan-ganyan. And hindi natin alam kung may mga tao bang dapat managot or it was just a natural death. Pero, one thing is for sure, sobrang nakakalungkot yung nangyari sa kanya. Though sabihin na natin na parang, yung iba nababasa ko, party girl kasi, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, at the end of the day, she's a young woman, ini-enjoy lang yung life niya. And, sobrang ganda niya, matalino din, may work, ganyan. Parang, masasabi ko na parang yung future na is sobrang bright. Kaya lang it's so sad na natigil kasi nga of what happened. And may mga nagsasabi din na parang, kasi naman pumarty ng masyado, dapat Christmas and New Year should be spent with family, ganyan. Kanya-kanyang opinion yan. Ang sa akin naman, parang, ewan ko, ito lang talaga yung tradition din dito na sa Denmark and sobrang tagal ko na dito guys, kaya na-adapt ko na rin somehow na parang pag Christmas, it's a time for family talaga, and pag New Year, it's a time for friends na parang mag-party-party, ganyan. So, I don't think na there's anything wrong pag New Year at nagpa-party ka together with your friends. Kanya-kanya kasi yan. Others would prefer na parang they're gonna spend it with their family and others wanna spend it with their friends. Kanya-kanya yan. When it comes to drinking, sabi nila, may mga nagsasabi nga na parang, she's like somehow she deserve what she get. I don't know. May mga nagaganon-ganon kasi nga, sobrang sobrang party goer, sobrang wild, at nagiinom-inom, kaya hindi natin alam, naka-drugs pa, nagiinom-inom, ganyan. Pero sa akin naman kasi, buhay niya yan. Pero ngayon patay na siya, but what I'm saying is, may iba naman talaga gustong pumarty, may iba naman talaga na nag-iinom-inom talaga. And I don't see anything wrong with that. Diba? I mean, hindi naman illegal yung mag-inom-inom, pero I'm saying, sabi nga nila, illegal yung paggagawa kasi nga sa ECQ at nagpa-party-party sila. But to sum up the story, guys, especially young girls, para sa akin okay lang naman din uminom. If nasa tamang edad ka naman, tapos you're providing for yourself. Yung iniinom mo is hindi mo anong tawag nun? Hindi mo hiningi sa ibang tao para makabili ka ng pang-inom or hindi mo ninakaw. Okay lang yung uminom na yan. But what's important is, especially young girls and boys, na parang you have to know your limit. Kasi, when you are going with friends, even if, you're the only woman, let's say you're the only woman like Christine, and people would say, they should have been taking care of her, kasi siya yung only babae, ganyan. Pero ako naman, sa side ko, parang, you have to know your limit. Kasi hindi ka dapat talaga mag-expect na yung mga kaibigan mo ay parang arugain ka kasi they're not there to babysit you, they're there to also party. 'Di ba? So, tamang inom lang. At pag feel mo na, medyo napasobra ka, tigil na muna, inom lang muna ng tubig or kain ng fruits or lumabas, magpahangin, ganyan. Kasi when I was also like, I'm 33 years old now. I'm, a bit older. But when I was in my 20s too, when I met my husband, Martin, he loved to party. Not always, but there are some, but we planned it. For example, if we join a festival, then that means we're really gonna be drinking. If we join a party, then we go drink, ganyan. And at some point, kasi sobrang parang bago sa akin ang environment na yon kasi when I was in the Philippines, yung naiinom ko lang talaga yung beer. Yung San Mig Light, ganyan. So, sobrang napaka-easy, parang water lang. Yun yung naiinom ko. Nang dumating ako dito, na-discover ko, ang dami parang pwedeng inumin na sasarap-sarap. May cocktails, may mga vodka, may mga gin and tonic, at iba pang any kinds of cocktails. Iniinom ko lahat yan. Tapos, nakikita ko iniinom ni Martin, iniinom ko din, ganyan. Pero at the end of the day, katawan mo yan. And pag napasobra ka, ikaw yung maghingalo. Ikaw yung parang mamumroblema kasi ikaw yung magsusuka, ikaw yung not feeling well, yung headache, ganyan. Of course, the other person who's with you is gonna take care of you. But at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yung magsasuffer. So, I've tried it many times na parang, kasi kasama ko nga yung mga lalaki na, ang liit ko guys compare sa mga tao dito. So, their body I think can handle so much alcohol. Pero ako naman, kung ano binigay sa akin, inom, at halo-halo na yan, shots, ganyan, lahat. And may time talaga na nagsusuka na ako, even sa taxi, nagsusuka, ganyan. Lahat talaga gumaganon-ganon na. Parang ano ba to? But I've experienced it many, many times before I've learned. Kasi later on na, isip ko na parang, I have to take care of myself. Hindi ako dapat magdepende sa ibang tao na mag-alaga sa akin pag na ako na, ano bang tagal na drunk? Pag nalasing na ako. So, yun. And since then, umiinom-inom pa rin ako, natitipsy-tipsy ako, but when I think and I feel na, okay, nagkaka-headache na, ganyan-ganyan, so I stop and I start drinking water, and when medyo okay na naman, drink a little bit, pero yung style nung guys, dapat hindi pinagkukumbine yung mga drinks, kasi yung effect talaga nun, sobrang sakit sa ulo. The next day, if you wanna drink beer, then stick with beer. If you wanna drink some vodka, stick with vodka. Ganon, hindi dapat pinagmi-mix. Yan. So, may mga nagsasabi, parang may mga iba pa rin hindi talaga ganun ka-open-minded na iniisip nila na hindi maganda na nag-iinom-inom, ganyan. I think it's okay. Pero dapat lang talaga, we should be able to control yung sarili natin at alam natin kailan tayo mag-i-stop. So, yun. Pero napakasad lang nangyari sa kanya kasi sa mga video nakikita mo talagang sobrang super drunk siya and hindi natin alam baka may kahalong droga, we don't know. Pero, dapat itigil na natin yung mga judgment na mga comment na yan o kasi siya super wild, super this, ganyan. Tigil na natin guys kasi, nakakasakit kasi may pamilya din yung tao, di ba? Nababasa yun ng, they're already suffering kasi nga sa nangyari sa anak nila na namatay, tapos mababasa mo pa yung mga sobrang mga panglalait, ganyan, na parang she deserve it kasi ganyan siya, ganito, ganyan. Tigilan natin yan kasi it's not helping anybody at nakakasakit lang lalo. Isipin nyo pag kayo yung nasa sitwasyon and one of your family members na, may ganyan na pangyayari tapos lalaitin pa, wag na, tigilan natin. And it's sad sa nangyari sa kanya. Sobra. And I hope na parang managot yung dapat managot. And let it all be a lesson to everyone na pag pumarty tayo, dapat kontrolado pa rin natin yung mga, nakokontrol pa rin natin yung sarili natin kung kailan mag-stop. Ganyan, kasi minsan napapasobra tayo without knowing. So, yun lang. Ano na ba? Anong oras na? Okay. So, yun guys. Yun yung aking advice. Advice? No, hindi yun. Yun ang aking opinion and thoughts with regards sa issue na with Christine at yung mga nang babash dyan, ng sobra-sobra sa, I mean, she's 23 years old. That's so young. It's not expected, but I mean, it's normal na sa ganyang edad and sa modern world natin ngayon na nagiinom-inom talaga yung mga tao. Mga both girls and boys. So, yun. Ang dami kong sinabi. Kapi muna. May kapi talaga, ha? Sarap eh. Tingnan ninyo yung aking coffee, guys. Christmas. Hindi pa ako nakaget over sa aking Christmas feel. So, yun, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe. And be nice.